Hello students, welcome back to the class. In previous class we have discussed about subject in the different kinds of sentence and placement of the subject in the sentence. So that we have seen. In this class we will study about kinds of predicate. Kinds of predicate. So we are in second lesson subject and predicate. Now in this chapter our topic is kinds of predicate. Yeah. A predicate can be just a single verb. Okay, predicate that may come sometime as a single verb in the sentence. See, for example, the dog barked. Okay, so subject is here, the barked is here verb, and it will work as a predicate also. So predicate sometime in the sentence it may come as a single word. Now second kind. A predicate can be a phrase containing a verb in some tense, person, and number. Okay, so here second kind predicate, we can say that verb sometime it may come as a tense, person, and number. Here tense means that present, past, continue like this, and person means first person, second person, third person. Number means singular and plural. So here this example we shall see, the clouds are gathering. The clouds are gathering. Here are gathering is this word is a predicate, and this is we can say praise. Okay, and the clouds, that is a plural. The clouds plural form is there. Okay, so here kinds of predicate. First one, predicate may come as a single word in the sentence, and second one, predicate may come as a phrase containing types, and the third one, when the verb is an intransitive verb. Okay, intransitive verb, the predicate can be a verb and it is modifier or complement. Okay, so that phrase predicate can be a verb, and that is a modifier or complement. Okay, first we have to know what is intransitive. So intransitive means in the sentence, intransitive, not needed object to complete the sentence, not needed object to complete the sentence, that called intransitive. And that intransitive verb may function as a modifier or complement in the sentence. For example, the girls laughed loudly. Okay, here predicate is a laughed loudly. Predicate is a laughed loudly. So in this sentence we can say this is intransitive verb because this verb not containing any object, because this verb not containing any object, so this is we can say intransitive verb. And here this is function as a modifier, because modifier means it tells about the verb. Okay, how he was laughed loudly, so he loud the girls laughed loudly. Okay, so in this sentence predicate that function as a intransitive verb, and this can be a modifier or complement. Second example, the baby slept loudly. The baby slept loudly. So here intransitive verb slept loudly, and this is a predicate and it is a modify the verb. Okay, now do you understand kinds of predicate? First one, predicate can be a single word, and second one, predicate can be a phrase containing the verb, and third one, predicate can be a intransitive verb but that can be function as a modifier or else complement in the sentence. Then fourth one, when the verb is a transitive verb. When the verb is a transitive verb, the predicate can be a verb and it's a object. Okay, so now I told already transitive verb need object. Here that predicate function as a object. For example, birds build nets. Okay, so here predicate is a build nest. Okay, so here build is a verb, so need object. Which is object here? Nest is a object. Now second example, Ravi kicked the ball. Here predicate is kicked the ball. This is transitive verb and that verb function as a object here. Okay, the football. So this is transitive verb. So once again I repeat kinds of predicate. First one, predicate can be a single word, and second, predicate can be a phrase containing verb, and third one, predicate can be a transitive verb, that verb modifier or a complement, and third one, predicate can be a transitive verb, then it is function as a object in the sentence. And now when the verb is a transitive verb with two objects, the predicate consists of a verb and its object, direct object and indirect object. Yes, I already told the transitive verb means that need object in the sentence. So here if it is two object is there in the sentence, I mean in the sentence the verb is transitive verb. If it is two object is there, that one come as a direct object and another one come as a indirect object. We shall see the example. Father bought me a bike. Father bought me a bike. Here predicate is bought me a bike. So in this sentence there is a two object is there. One is me and another one is a bike. One is me and another one is bike. So here me is a direct object and a bike is a indirect object. So this way we can identify direct object and indirect object in the sentence. So once again I repeat, in the verb, in the transitive verb, if there is a two object is there, then the one object will be a direct object and another one will be a indirect object. So once again I give one clue how to identify direct object and a indirect object in the sentence. In the sentence, if object is in the person, that is direct object. In case if the object is a things, that is a indirect object. So here me is a person, so that is direct object. A bike is a thing, so that is indirect object. So now we shall see the last kinds of predicate. A predicate can be two or more verbs or verb phrase that may be joined by conjunction words such as and, not only, but also, both and, neither nor, either or. See, for example, he came, saw and conquered. In this sentence more than two verbs are there, so it is joined by conjunction word and. And second example, we ate dinner and watched a film. Here predicate is ate dinner and watched a film, so two verbs are there but joined by conjunction word. Hope you all are understand what is kinds of predicate. Okay, so there are six kinds are there. First one is a predicate can be a single word, and second one predicate can be a phrase containing, and third one predicate can be a intransitive, and fourth one predicate can be a transitive verb, and third one predicate can be a direct object and indirect object, and last one if two or more verbs are there, that's joined by conjunction word. Okay, so when a sentence has a two or more predicate, we call it is compound predicate. Okay, thank you. When you come tomorrow, write in your grammar copy the kinds of predicate and their rules. Thank you.